Hello everyone. Okay, so I want to share with you what I got in my Essential Rewards order for this month. So it was kind of a combination. It's my order as well as Peter's order. And I got some for gut health, some for immune support, and then also some oils, supplements and oils, and some nutritional goodies. So yeah, Peter got very ill during this holiday, and I was luckily I had everything and all my oils with me, and I treated him, and he came through that, and that was amazing. So I stocked up on some of that. But first of all, we sleep with eucalyptus in. Peter has a stuffy nose, so that helps with nasal congestion for us. RC and Raven are both oils that help with opening up the chest. Also for people that exercise, this is great. You can also dilute it for kiddies, rub it on the chest, rub it on the back where the lungs are, and it's absolutely fabulous. Thieves, I don't go without this. This is just one of the many bottles I have. This is so good for when you feel you're getting sick and you're feeling under the weather, to drop some under your tongue sublingually, putting it under your feet for people that don't want to take it sublingually, or making a honey sandwich for kiddies. Put some honey in a teaspoon, some drops of thieves, and a honey and a thieves and lemon tea is also awesome with rooibos. So yeah, that was, oh, and then just to touch on soap, hand soap. It's a foaming hand soap, which is awesome. It comes with like a dispenser. I actually got 2 of them as gifts, and the Thief spray. So I don't go, because of triclosan in hand sanitizers, it not only takes away the bad bacteria, but also takes away the good bacteria, which affects your gut, which affects your whole body. So I don't go anywhere without this. I also use this in my studio and at home to spray surfaces. And this, anything that foams has SLS, or sodium lauryl sulfate, in it, which is basically a toxin. So yeah, I don't use anything that has either triclosan or SLS in it. And we are kind of brought up to think that anything that foams works best, and that's not really true. But anyway, I digress. Then for immunity, sulfazyme. Sulfazyme is also one of the things I take for inflammation in my body, as well as the Agile Ease. So Agile, between these two, I have a lower back disc that's not properly in place. So I have chronic inflammation, and that helps me with that. Life 9, gut health, absolutely important. And then I want to just touch on inner defense. So this is, there are little soft gel capsules, and they have oils in them. So I gave Peter one every 4 hours, and I also pierced it and put the oil on his spine, because when you are ill and you have a viral or bacterial infection, then all the viruses and bacteria go and lie in your spinal fluid. So this is one of the products that I now swear by. I won't go without it. Multigreens. So multigreens I take because none of us really get all the nutrition we need from all the food we eat, because the soil isn't the quality it was when our grandparents used to eat fruit and veggies. And it also has the awesome Melissa flower in it. The Melissa flower is a little white flower, and there's this very special way they harvest it, because the Melissa flower won't release its oils if it touches the ground. So there's a very complex way of them harvesting it. And the Melissa flower is awesome for people that also feel a little bit down and depressed. Multigreens is awesome, not only for your greens, but for that as well. Then I got Ningxia Red. So if you don't know or haven't seen that we do sample 6, Ningxia Red, I don't know if this is backwards for you, or like that maybe. Yes. So Ningxia Red is a supplement I drink every day. We currently have a Ningxia Red challenge, so I'm stocked up on an extra one, and we also have sample 6 coming up. So sample 6 is a little program that we have a lot of fun, and we send samples out to people, and Ningxia Red is on the sample list for January. So I'm very excited about that, and as well as giving them a sample of orange. So with my Ningxia Red, I actually got for free, I got peppermint, lemon, and a little lavender. I drink peppermint and I use lemon, grapefruit, or orange. I also have, oh gosh, goodness, orange, grapefruit, and I also have lime. So I alternate those. So I always stock up on that. Lavender, I use lavender every day. We sleep with it. It's also great for skin issues. There's a lavender, cute little lavender balm that I now am going to keep in my first aid kit and in my little oily bag, because my godchild went swimming in the sea this holiday, and because of the salt water and the sand being abrasive on certain areas, it was very ouchy. We put this on and it sorted it out within seconds. It was gone. Then, okay, I've spoken about, I also got these for free, cinnamon bark and peace and calming. So when you spend certain points on your essential rewards order, you get free gifts, and as well as on your quick orders. And that is just part of Young Living saying thank you for buying our products and thank you for being our customers, and we'll give you lots of free goodies. I'm always in for free goodies. Then I topped up on some of my oils that I was running low on. Bergamot I use in my hair products. Cypress is excellent for skin as well. And yeah, I've even put it on like my shin when my shin is sore. That's helped me. Digize I drink every day for my digestive health. Peppermint as well. I think I've actually got a little bit of a peppermint addiction because I just drop it on my tongue and it's amazing. It's like you ate a whole bottle of sweeties. And geranium I use in also in my skin serum, as well as helichrysum in my skin serum, as well as patchouli. So I got a little bit of a heat rash when we went to the coastal region. It's very humid, and where we stay, it's very dry. So helichrysum and patchouli, I tried lavender. They took away the itch, and but the rash was, I had like a rash on my cheeks, and that was very irritating to have. And then I looked up on my app. So I have the Pocket on the Go app, as well as several other apps that help me decide which oils I can use. And they said helichrysum patchouli. I made a little roller. Within a day, it was sorted out. So Valor is definitely on my list forever and always. Valor is not only for self-confidence and courage, but it also, it's great for, it's also like they call it a chiropractor in a bottle. And I actually have a friend that has an awesome sciatic testimony with Valor. And yeah, I wasn't surprised when I found out about that. Myrrh is also one of my oils that I like on my, as you can see, I like to make face serums and I like to gift them to people. Vetiver I use as one of our sleep oils. It's also great. A friend of mine has a little boy that has some autism and some ADHD issues, and vetiver and cedarwood are the two oils that she uses. I can't remember the whole recipe now, but I can get that to you if you want. Wintergreen I use on my back. As I said, I have a spinal structural issue in my spine, and I also have, because I'm a bit older, I also have the onset of osteoporosis. So this is an awesome oil. I just put it on just like that, as well as the CBD muscle rub. And ylang ylang I put in my body wash, I put it in my body lotion. It just smells divine. It's also the oil of love, so yeah, gives you all those good feelings. So yeah, that's basically what I got. I hope I didn't miss anything, and I hope that you enjoyed that, and that I could give you a little bit of more info on some of the products that Young Living offers in South Africa. Bye.